various modalities used in the treatment of cancer. Could you please talk to us more about these
See, what
different
happens is if a patient, what we used to get at Tata is many patients have done many investigations outside. Some have been diagnosed, have been given a suspicion of having cancer. So the way we approach it, at the onset, we get a couple of baseline tests done to determine is it cancer or not. And if yes, it is cancer, we divide our patients into two broad streams. Whether our intent is curative, as in we want to completely take out the cancer and cure the patient of the cancer,
Right.
or our intent is palliative, as in the cancer has spread to such an extent that we cannot completely cure it, but we want to provide the maximum cure and maximum relief to the patient. Intent is curative. Everything is on a war footing. Literally everything. The
Right.
dates are early. So we try and investigate the patient as thoroughly as we can to broadly divide them into these two categories.
Correct.
So once we know a patient is curative,
Yeah.
the primary modality for a curative patient is surgery. You've
Yes.
done your scans, you know the cancer has not spread anywhere, and you want to cure it. So the first thing is take it out. Take it out by a surgery.
Yeah.
After surgery, what happens is cancer is it's like a very infiltrative process. It will anatomic boundaries of your body. It will spread irrespective of that. So our surgeons are great. They take a margin along with the cancer to cover that up. Still, as an additional measure, either chemotherapy or radiotherapy is given so that even small micrometastases, which are invisible to any investigation, are cured. When a patient is palliative, what we focus is providing maximum relief. Imagine you have your liver. Your liver secretes bile. Obstruction of bile causes jaundice. Pीलिया बोलते हैं North India में. So if it is not, if someone cannot take it out by surgery, what we do is we insert a small pipe through the cancer so that the natural flow is cured. The cancer will not be cured, but the patient will get relief from the symptoms. We can help the patient in every way possible so that they get maximum relief in the last few days, weeks, or months of their lives.
Right. So the palliative care also you all do.
Yes. Means it's everything is multimodality. Nothing
multimodalities, right?
We never box it in. No one goes territorial on that. It is all multimodality. Like if there's a palliative patient who has a growth in the food pipe, the esophagus, they're trying to insert a Ryle's tube for feeding purposes. If they're unable, what we do is we take the patient in on a fluoro machine. It is something sort of a X-ray machine. And under that guidance, we will try to insert a very thin wire through the cancer from the food pipe to the stomach. And over it, we will pass the tube or a Ryle's tube so that the patient can feed. So it's all multimodality. Everyone keeps the interest of the patient above anything else. That is what it is.
Correct. That is everybody's cause, right? The patient has to be kept at all times.